Good morning, students. So in the previous class we were discussing the lesson number 7, that is house we build. Okay. So in this lesson we have learned that all of us need a space to live and stay. Is it? Yes, all of us need a space. And what is home or what is a house? A house is a space in which we live and feel safe. That is called a house. What is a house? A house is a space in which we live and feel safe. That is called a house. And there are many types of houses are there. Is it? So yesterday we have learned about bungalow. Bungalow is a type of house. Next, multi-story building. It is also a type of house. Next, hut. What is that? Hut. Yes, hut is also a type of house. Now today we are going to discuss about igloo. It is also a kind of house, but this is a special house, we can say. What is that? This is a special house. Okay, so let's see which kind of house is this. Okay, so first one, an igloo is a house made of ice. An igloo is a house. An igloo is a house made of ice. Made of ice. Okay. What is igloo? Igloo is a house which is made of ice. ಅಂದ್ರೆ igloo ಅನ್ನೋದಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು ಒಂದು ಮನೆ, ಬಟ್ ಅದು ಎದರಿಂದ ಮಾಡಲ್ಪಟ್ಟಿರುತ್ತಾ? ಐಸ್ಲೆ. ಅದು ಐಸಲ್ಲೇ ಮಾಡಲ್ಪಟ್ಟಿರುತ್ತೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ದ್ಯಾಟ್ಸ್ ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ವಿ ಕಾಲ್ಡ್ ಇಟ್ ಅ ಸ್ಪೆಷಲ್ ಹೌಸ್. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಇದು ಸಿಮೆಂಟ್ಲೆ ಮಣ್ಣಿಲೆ ಕಟ್ಟಿರಂಗಿಲ್ಲ. ಇದು ಎದಲ್ಲಿ ಕಟ್ಟಿರ್ತಾರೋ? ಐಸ್ಲೆ ಡೆವಲಪ್ ಮಾಡಿರ್ತಾರೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಇಗ್ಲೂ ಇಸ್ ದ ಹೌಸ್ ವಿಚ್ ಇಸ್ ಮೇಡ್ ಅಪ್ ಆಫ್ ಆರ್ ಮೇಡ್ ಆಫ್ ಐಸ್. ಓಕೆ, ಹೂ ಲಿವ್ಸ್ ಇನ್ ಇಗ್ಲೂಸ್? ಹೂ ಲಿವ್ಸ್? ಇಗ್ಲೂಸ್ ಒಳಗೆ ಯಾರು ಇರ್ತಾರೆ ಹಂಗಾದ್ರೆ? ಎಸ್ಕಿಮೋಸ್. ಓಕೆ, ಹೂ ಎಸ್ಕಿಮೋಸ್ ಲಿವ್ ಇನ್ who lives here? Eskimos lives in igloos. ಯಾರು ಇರ್ತಾರೆ igloos ಒಳಗ? ಎಸ್ಕಿಮೋಸ್. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಎಸ್ಕಿಮೋಸ್ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು? ಎಸ್ಕಿಮೋಸ್ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ people live in Greenland. The people who are or who is living in Greenland, we call them Eskimos. Okay, so Eskimos people live in the igloo. First one is igloo is a house which is made of ice, and who lives here? Eskimos live in the igloo house. Okay, so this is for the igloo house. Okay, now about the second one, that is tent. This is the second special house. What is that? Tent. It is the first special house. Tent is a second special house. Okay, see, a tent is a movable house. Yes, it is a movable house. Movable house in the sense you can carry this tent. You can carry this tent wherever you want to. ನೀವು ಎಲ್ಲಾದರೂ ಹೋಗ್ತಿದ್ರಂದ್ರೆ ಈ ಟೆಂಟನ್ನು ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು, ನಿಮ್ಮ ಜೊತೆ ತೊಗೊಂಡು ಹೋಗ್ಬೋದು. ದ್ಯಾಟ್ಸ್ ಕಾಲ್ಡ್ ಅ ಮೂವೇಬಲ್ ಹೌಸ್. ಫಾರ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್, ನೀವು ಎಲ್ಲಾದರೂ ಪಿಕ್ನಿಕ್ಗೆ ಹೊಂಟಾರೆ, ಇಫ್ ಯು ಆರ್ ಗೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಟು ಪಿಕ್ನಿಕ್ ಸಮ್ವೇರ್, ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಕ್ಯಾರಿ ದಿಸ್ ಟೆಂಟ್ ವಿತ್ ಯು, ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಇಫ್ ಯು ವಾಂಟ್ ಟು ಸ್ಟೇ ದೇರ್, ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಮೇಕ್ ಅ house. You can make a house of tent. Okay, that's called a tent. So first one is a tent is a movable house. Okay, it is a movable house. ಇದು movable house ಇರೋದು. Okay, next it is made of cloth and used while camping. ಎದರಲ್ಲೇ ಮಾಡಲ್ಪಟ್ಟದ್ದು ಇದು? See, igloo is made of ice. Then by using what tent is made? ಟೆಂಟ್ ಮಾಡೋಕ್ಕೆ ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಏನು ಮಟೀರಿಯಲ್ಸ್ ಬೇಕು? ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಮೇಡ್ ಆಫ್ ಕ್ಲೋತ್. ಓಕೆ, ಎದರಲ್ಲೇ ಮಾಡಲ್ಪಟ್ಟದ್ದು? ಅರ್ಬಿಲೇ ಮಾಡಲ್ಪಟ್ಟದ್ದು ಕ್ಲೋತ್. ಓಕೆ, ರೈಟ್. ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಮೇಡ್ ಆಫ್ ಕ್ಲೋತ್. ಒಂದು ಬಟ್ಟೆಗೆ ಮಾಡಲ್ಪಟ್ಟಿರುತ್ತೆ ಟೆಂಟ್. ಓಕೆ, ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್
used while camping. ಯಾವಾಗ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು ನಾವು ಇದನ್ನು? while going for camping. ದೊಡ್ಡ ದೊಡ್ಡ ಬೆಟ್ಟಗಳನ್ನು ಹತ್ತಿರ್ತೀರಿ ಗೊತ್ತಾ? ಟ್ರೆಕ್ಕಿಂಗ್, ವಿ ಕಾಲ್ ಇಟ್ ಟ್ರೆಕ್ಕಿಂಗ್. ಸೊ ಅದು ಹತ್ತಿದ ಮೇಲೆ ಮೇಲ್ಗಡೆ ಹೋದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಏನಿರುತ್ತೆ? ಸ್ಪೇಸ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, ದೊಡ್ಡ ಲ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ರೆಸ್ಟ್ ದೇರ್ ಬೈ ಮೇಕಿಂಗ್ ದಿಸ್ ಟೆಂಟ್ ದೇರ್. ಸೊ ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಯೂಸ್ ಇಟ್ ಫಾರ್ camping. It is used for camping. Okay. It is used for camping. So this is about tent. First one, it is a movable house. Tent is a movable house in the sense you can carry this tent from one place to another place. Okay, and it is made of cloth. What it made of? It is made of cloth and it is used for camping. Okay, this is about tent and igloo. Igloo is made of ice. This tent is made of cloth. Keep it in your mind. Okay. So third one is about stilt house. What is that? Stilt house. Okay. So I will explain here. It is the third one. Stilt house. So a stilt house is a house that is built high above the ground. ಸ್ಟಿಲ್ಟ್ ಹೌಸ್ ಅಂತಂದರೆ ಏನು? ಇದನ್ನು ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಕಟ್ತಾರೋ? ಗ್ರೌಂಡನ್ನು ಬಿಟ್ಟು, ಅಂದರೆ ನೆಲ ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಅಂತರೊಳಗೆ ಅಂತರೊಳಗೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ವೇರ್ ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಬಿಲ್ಟ್ ಹೈ ಅಬೌವ್ ದ ಗ್ರೌಂಡ್ ಅಂತಂದರೆ ನೆಲನ ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಅಂತರೊಳಗೆ ಕಟ್ಬೋದು. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ಹೌಸ್ ಈಸ್ ಅ ಹೌಸ್ ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ a house that is built high above the ground. ಅಂದರೆ ಗ್ರೌಂಡ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಬಿಟ್ಟು, ಅಂದರೆ ನೆಲ ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಅಂತರೊಳಗೆ ಕಟ್ತೀವಿ. ಓಕೆ, ದಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಕಾಲ್ಡ್ ಅ stilt house. Okay, so next, usually with bamboos and poles. Usually with bamboo poles. ಎದರಲ್ಲಿ ಕಟ್ತಾರ? What it is made up of? It is made of bamboo poles. ಬಾಂಬು ಕಟ್ಟಿಗೆ ಇರ್ತಾವ ಗೊತ್ತಾ? ಅದರಲ್ಲೇ ಕಟ್ತಾರೆ. Okay. Second one is it is made of bamboo poles. Poles ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು? ಕಟ್ಟಿಗೆ. ಬಾಂಬು ಇದೊಂದು ಕಟ್ಟಿಗೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಬಾಂಬು ಕಟ್ಟಿಗೆಲೇ ಈ ಸ್ಟಿಲ್ಟ್ ಹೌಸನ್ನು ಕಟ್ತಾರೆ. ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಮೇಡ್ ಅಪ್ ಆಫ್ ಬಾಂಬು ಪೋಲ್ಸ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ such houses are built in places with very high rainfall. ಓಕೆ, ಎಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡ್ತೀರಿ ನೀವು ಇಂಥ ಮನೆ? ಅಂತರೊಳಗೆ ಕಟ್ಟಿರೋಂಥ ಮನೆ ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ನೋಡಿರಾ? ಲೋಕಲ್ ಏರಿಯಾ ಒಳಗೆ can you see this stilt house around you? No. Where you can see? ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಕಟ್ತಾರೆ ಇದನ್ನು ಹೆಚ್ಚಾಗಿ? ಇನ್ ಆಸಾಮ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಮೇಘಾಲಯ. ಆಸಾಮ್ ಮತ್ತು ಮೇಘಾಲಯ ಒಳಗೆ ಕಟ್ತಾರೆ. ಓಕೆ, we can see stilt house. You can see stilt house where? In Assam and Meghalaya. Okay, so Meghalaya ಮತ್ತೆ Assam ಒಳಗೆ ನೋಡ್ತೀರಿ. ಯಾಕೆ ನೋಡ್ತೀರಿ ನೀವು? Because these are the states which receives very high rainfall. ಯಾಕಂದರೆ ಮೇಘಾಲಯ ಮತ್ತು ಆಸಾಮ್ ಒಳಗೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? ಹೆವಿ ರೈನ್ಫಾಲ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. So that's because you can see these stilt houses in the Assam and Meghalaya. Okay, so this is about the stilt house. First one is these
houses, this house is a house that is built high above the ground, and these houses are made of bamboo poles. Okay, and we can see stilt houses in Assam and Meghalaya as these states receives high rainfall. Okay, this is about stilt house. Next one is the caravan. What is that? Caravan. It is the fourth one. That is caravan. Okay, let's see what is this caravan. It is a house on wheels. It is a house with wheels. ಇದು ಒಂದು ಮನಿ. ಕ್ಯಾರವನ್ ಇದು ಒಂದು ಮನಿ. ಬಟ್ ಈ ಮನಿಗೆ ಏನಿರ್ತಾವ? ವೀಲ್ಸ್ ಇರ್ತಾವ. ವೀಲ್ಸ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು? ಎಸ್, ಗಾಡಿಗಳಿಗೆ ಇರ್ತಾವಲ್ಲ, ಏನು ಗಾಲಿಗಳು. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಅ ಹೌಸ್. ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಅ ಹೌಸ್ ಆನ್ ವೀಲ್ಸ್. ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಅ ಹೌಸ್. ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಅ ಹೌಸ್ ಆನ್ ವೀಲ್ಸ್. ಗಾಲಿಯೊಳಗ ಗಾಲಿ ಮೇಲ್ಗಡೆ ಇರ್ತಾವ, ಅಂದರೆ ಇದಕ್ಕೇನಿರ್ತಾವು? ಗಾಲಿಗಳು ಇರ್ತಾವ, ವೀಲ್ಸ್. ಸೊ ಇಟ್ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಮೂವ್ ಪೀಪಲ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ ಒನ್ ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ಟು another place. ಎಸ್, ದಿಸ್ ಹೌಸ್ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಮೂವ್ ಪೀಪಲ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ ಒನ್ ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ಟು another place. ಸೊ ಗಾಲಿಗಳು ಅದಾವಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಏನರ್ಥ? ಇದೊಂಥರ ವ್ಯಾನ್ ಟೈಪ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಸಿ ದ ಪಿಕ್ಚರ್ ಹಿಯರ್. ಇಟ್ ಲುಕ್ಸ್ ಲೈಕ್ ಅ ವ್ಯಾನ್. ಇಟ್ ಲುಕ್ಸ್ ಲೈಕ್ ಅ ವ್ಯಾನ್, ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ದಟ್ ವ್ಯಾನ್ ಇಸ್ ಹ್ಯಾವಿಂಗ್ ವೀಲ್ಸ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ. ಸೊ ಏನು ಮಾಡುತ್ತಾ? ಈಸಿಲಿ ನಿಮಗೆ ಒಂದು ಪ್ಲೇಸಿಂದ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಪ್ಲೇಸಿಗೆ ಮೂವ್ ಮಾಡುತ್ತಾ. ಹೌದಾ? ರೈಟ್ ಡೌನ್ ದಟ್ ಇಟ್ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಮೂವ್ ಪೀಪಲ್. ಇಟ್ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಮೂವ್ ಪೀಪಲ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ one place to another place. One place to another place. So this is called about caravan. First one is caravan. It is a house on wheels. It is a house on wheels, and this what caravan can move people from one place to another place. Okay, this is about caravan. First one about is stilt house. Okay, so a house. This house is a house. This house is a house that is built above the ground, and stilt house. Okay, and it is made up of, what is made up of? Stilt house is made up of bamboo poles, and you can see the stilt houses in Assam and Meghalaya as these states receives very high rainfall. Okay, next about is caravan. It is the house on wheels. It means this house is having wheels. So caravan can move people from one place to another place. Okay, this is about caravan. Next yes, one more is there, houseboat. What is that? Houseboat. See here. That is a houseboat. It is the fifth one. Okay, houseboat. So let's see which kind of house is this. Houseboat. It is a floating house. That's it. It is a floating house. It is a floating house. Floating ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು? ತೇಲಾಡೋದು, ನೀರಿನ ಮೇಲ್ಗಡೆ ತೇಲಾಡೋದು. ಸೊ ಇದೊಂದು ಮನಿ. ಎಂಥ ಮನಿ ಇದು? ನೀರ್ ಮೇಲ್ಗಡೆ ಇರುವಂಥ ತೇಲಾಡುವಂಥ ಮನಿ. You can see the picture to get an idea. It looks like a house, and it looks like also a boat. Boat ತರನು ಕಾಣುತ್ತಾ, ಮನಿ ತರನು ಕಾಣುತ್ತಾ. ಹೌದಾ? So it is called a floating house. Which house looks like a floating house? That is houseboat. This is it for. Okay, and the last house. Now it is the sixth one, and the last house is, that is the log house. Okay, that is the log house. So which kind of house is this? Log house found in hilly areas. Where you can find the log house? In hilly area. In hilly areas you can find the log house, where there are many trees and wood is easily available, in the sense this log house is made up of, see, log house is made of wood. It is made of wood. This log house is made of wood, and there you can see these houses in the hilly areas. You can find the what wood very easily in the hilly areas, so you can build the log house in the hilly areas. Okay, so this is it for today. What is that? First one is houseboat, where you can see it is also called as a floating house. Okay, it is also called as a floating house. And the next one is log house in the hilly areas. You can see you can find the log house, and as well it is made up of wood. Okay, so this is it for today. Tomorrow we will start the remaining concept. So read this lesson in your home for one time, and yes, I will continue tomorrow.